So just to run through some of the buttons on here, you have passenger car, commercial vehicle, light commercial vehicle, obviously your manufacturer's fields, your model fields and your vehicle type fields. You could also filter further down if you know your tech.k type number, or you could enter that here, or even the engine code. You can also filter by product group. This shows all the product groups that are available in the RYMEC range currently. You can sort by vehicle registration plate number for the United Kingdom. Additionally, you can also search by an aftermarket part, a RYMEC part, or even an OE part number, and that will give you the result of the part for your vehicle. Over here you have your language region buttons. This will be set for Great Britain at the moment, and you can also change your languages, and these are your settings for your user. But at the moment the regions are, if you want to check France, you can check France, and that will bring back the vehicles that are specifically for France when you save the changes. And viewing options, if we go back, we put another vehicle number plate in, you can view the data in different ways. By clicking compact view, will just really give you a list of the part numbers. Default view, no images. Expanded view with images. It will also show, if we go back to compact view, where you have normal, this means the part is live and available. Where it says no longer available from supplier, it has been discontinued. Each one of these parts will have the same data that you would find on a normal full Tech Alliance web cap, complete with the OE information, application information, so what this kit also fits on other vehicles, and of course the product criteria, so when it's construction year, number of teeth, splines, diameters, etc, etc, everything you would expect to help you identify the correct part for your vehicle.